So I'm just talking today about preparing your finances for the end of financial year. And this is the last chance this week to make any adjustments before the end of financial year. If you need to reduce your tax, maybe for what you've earned, and you might be able to contribute to super, etc., and get any deductions in. So here's the week that you should be doing it. Three things that you can do for the end of financial year. Three really simple things to prepare yourself. But first up, it's just Louise and James here. And this is Dusty, our wellness officer from the Property Education Company. So I'm just talking today about preparing your finances for the end of financial year. And this is the last chance this week to make any adjustments before the end of financial year. If you need to reduce your tax, maybe for what you've earned, and you might be able to contribute to super, etc., and get any deductions in. So here's the week that you should be doing it. So step one, I talk about gathering all your receipts for the year. Now, obviously, if you haven't done that in 2024 financial year, I get it, but I recommend getting a big box and just popping receipts on it, and see that? Really easy. And pop it in your cupboard, and every time you get a receipt, print it, either if it comes via email, because I never remember to file them in the right place. You might be better than me, but maybe not. But I find if I print them, put them in the box, then I've got them all, pull it out at the end of financial year, and the whole lot and all that happened in that year is in the box. And it makes it really simple and easy to organise my tax. Secondly, I want you to record all your deductions. In fact, many small businesses will be allowed to add an additional 20% tax deduction for external training delivered to employees by an RTO or a registered training authority. And it's under the Small Business Skills and Training Boost. And this is just for this financial year. So if you think you can prepay for training, do it in this financial year. Anyone in small business, if you think you can qualify, go and pay for your training now, because it's a really good idea. Number three, check you are ready for your pay. So you need to have, particularly if you're in small business, have those conversations with your accountant this financial year. It always amazes me the number of people who say, oh, my accountant deals with this after 30 June. Well, it's too late then. You need to do it before the end of the financial year so you can actually make an impact on your tax return. Okay, so my accountant's so busy she can barely scratch herself at the moment. So we want you to get organised, get into them, have a good conversation, and sort your tax out before the end of financial year. Now, we are going to take a pause on lives, but we are doing more videos. So we will be posting, and I hope you get to see them soon. We've got lots of tips coming up for finances. We're talking about the pros and cons next week of fixed versus standard variable loans, and how to decide which is better for you. So I'd love you to share this content, and I really appreciate you listening in.
Just want to recap on a few things that we spoke about today, though, which are important. So yes, this is Dustin. He's been supporting us day and night. The main thing is make sure you keep your receipts in one place. It can get very confusing if you're storing some information somewhere, one part of your invoices elsewhere, depending on your business. Just try and consolidate them to one location so you can pull it out when this time of year and go, this is everything I need.
Can I just, one more tip on that?
Yeah.
Now is a great time to review all your subscriptions, because they tend to sneak up. And I just managed to cancel my Amazon Prime again, and I got a rebate. Hello. So crack in and get some cash back in before the end of financial year. It might be worth.
There are plenty of applications out there that can do it for you, but it's easy as well if you do it yourself. Also, besides just having your receipts, it's a great time to start talking to your accountant. Don't wait till after the 30th of June. It gets too late. Things can be missed. Try and get in touch with your accountant now if you have one, or go through everything that you know about your taxes in detail.